In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free games on Steam using the safest and easiest method available, and that's by using Steam's own free-to-play section, plus a quick tip for finding limited time giveaways before they disappear. This is a simple way to build your game library without spending money, and if you've ever wanted to discover new titles, test games before buying, or just grab some great freebies, this guide is for you. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the Steam homepage, look at the top menu and click on Browse in the Steam Store. This is where Steam organizes different types of games, categories, and discovery pages, so it's the best place to start. From there, select Free to Play. This category includes games that are completely free to download and keep playing, and it's one of the easiest ways to find quality games without paying anything up front. As soon as the free-to-play page loads, take a few seconds to browse through the available titles. You'll see a wide range of games, from action and strategy to multiplayer and indie releases. If you want to find the newest and most popular options, click on the New and Trending tab. This is a great trick because it helps you spot the latest high-quality releases that are getting attention right now, instead of just scrolling through older games. You can also use the store filters and search options to narrow things down based on genre, reviews, or popularity, which makes it much easier to find something you'll actually enjoy playing. Now here's another important method for getting free games on Steam. Sometimes developers or publishers run limited time giveaways where a paid game becomes free for a short period. These promotions can happen during special events, launches, or celebrations, and the best part is that once you claim the game during the free window, it stays in your Steam library permanently. That means even if the offer ends later, the game is still yours to download and play whenever you want. To take advantage of these giveaways, keep an eye on Steam's front page, the free-to-play section, and the New and Trending tab. You can also check store banners and featured sections because Steam often highlights temporary offers there. The key is to claim the game before the promotion expires. Usually, all you need to do is open the game page and click Add to Account or Get. After that, the game is linked to your library forever. This is why it's a great habit to check Steam regularly, because free offers can appear and disappear quickly. Another useful tip is to look at game pages carefully before claiming anything. Read the description, check the reviews, and make sure it's a game you actually want to keep. That way, you're not just collecting random titles, you're building a library with games you'll truly enjoy. So to recap, the main ways to get free games on Steam are to use the Browse section, open Free to Play, check New and Trending for the latest quality releases, and watch for limited time giveaways where paid games become free for a short time. And remember, once you claim those giveaway games, they stay in your library permanently. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.